Even when you're not here, you get all of my time. Sweeter than a number 9 with a large sunrise. Every nigga in your past hit him with the crossfire. Now I'm shooting to your crib.
You guys all love. I am so excited for the stuff that I have to show y'all. Like for real, like I got a lot of things in store for y'all throughout the week. But first things first, I'm gonna do a quick rundown. Ooh, mom slaved my hair, y'all, for real. I just gotta fix my edges, but you know, I'm rushing. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick rundown before I leave. First things first, I am going out of the country. I'm going on a cruise, honey. But the first 2 days, I'm going to Florida. I'm flying out from Baltimore to, I think, Kissimmee, Florida, or something like that, or Miami, whichever one. And the first day, I will be showing y'all a tour of the house and shopping there and all of that other good stuff, and tour of, you know, Florida and everything if you guys want to see it. And then the rest of the days on my cruise, I will be showing you guys a Carnival cruise tour and everything. And guys, I can't get over the glow, like baby girl. For real, I'm being real goofy because I'm excited to go. Like, I'm just ready to get out of here. Period. But back to it. First things first, for the cruise, I'm going to Bahamas, Grand Turk, Curacao, La Romana. It's like an hour or two away from Dominican Republic. I already know what y'all saying, like, be careful in Dominican Republic. But for the past like couple weeks, I haven't heard anything like bad regarding Dominican Republic, so I'm not really, you know, worried about it. But I know my little behind is probably gonna be on the ship. Not worried about none of that, okay? So let me think, what else? Curacao, Dominican Republic, and it's one more place, but I forgot. I will be showing y'all tours of the boat. I'll be showing y'all the islands. I'll be showing y'all a whole bunch of stuff. You just have to stay tuned and sit tight. Because I'm on the cruise, certain places I don't have Wi-Fi, but I'll buy the Wi-Fi while I'm on the ship with my MacBook. So I'll try to vlog every day for the next 10-11 days. I think the cruise is from like the 8th through the 18th. The first 2 days, which I'm leaving a day early, I'm going to Florida just to shop because me and my mom want to be extra. So going just to shop at the outlets. And you'll be seeing like my older sister Deja and my little sister Zion and stuff like that. A little bit of my family. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a quick rundown of everything. So yeah, stay tuned. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me and staying in contact with me. It's about to be an exciting week, I promise you. So see you guys. Baby Kate! Baby Tim! I missed you! Baby Tim!
Get me off of here.
We made it!
Don't put me in.
Girl, bye.
Can I get our stuff together a little bit?
We made it! Yow!
Hey,
Say
y'all.
hey, YouTube!
Hey, YouTube. Wait, this is Snapchat.
Well,
I told you keep me off of
today.
Snapchat. Ah, Nick, this.
Alright, y'all, so we're on the plane. We just got on here. Bears. Yes, I'm gonna get my headphones because it's a no for me. But this is a 2-hour flight, so
2.5.
yeah, 2.5 hours. So I'll hit you back after we land in Orlando.
Yeah.
Which, yeah, what is it, like 8 something now? And bro, I just got off this plane and I'm so freaking sick. Yo, let me tell y'all how it landed, right? Like, it landed, me and my sister was asleep. It landed, the whole plane shook, and then you heard thunder and lightning. I said, oh, heck no, I'm off of here. I got off and almost fainted. My whole jaw is messed up. I felt so freaking nauseous. It don't make no sense. I feel so sick. And I look sick too. I look so terrible. But we just made it in Florida and we're on our way to the house. So, bye. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.